Nails by Sonar Artis.
Hey, do it with consistency. Hey, that's why I got enemies. Hey, y'all can hear that a lot though, you hear me? No cap. Hey, Riz on the engineering side. Hey.
Hey y'all. So I'm not gonna hold you guys up too long. I am just coming to you with a video of how to clean your Kolinsky brushes. Now, you only need a bowl, a glass bowl, or a glass dapping dish, or something glass, or something that's double hard plastic. That's like this. Low, I forgot what it's called, but anyway, something like this that it won't eat through. Anyway, so I just have here some 100% acetone. Clearly, I got mine from Walgreens. You can get yours from wherever, as long as it's 100% acetone. So I'm just gonna start by pouring that much. So I say it's about an inch, not even a whole inch, a half inch of liquid. And I'm gonna let you guys see my brush. So this brush, as you can see, it don't look so bad, right? But can you see that? It's hard right there. And I don't want to damage my brush hairs. I don't want to wrinkle them. So that one will be in there, but not too long. And then there's this brush. It's pretty stiff, soft stiff though. You see? That one's gonna go in there too, but not that long, but longer than the first one, or about the same time. And then you see this small brush. This one's horrible. It's hard and it's stiff. I don't use this brush a lot. It's not that great. That one's gonna be in there longest. So what you wanna do, you don't have to heat this up or anything. You just wanna stick your brushes in there. I let mine hang at an angle, preferably the way that I work with them, which is the flat side. I don't put it in this way, I put it in flat that way. And that way, and I just let them do their thing. So periodically I do check on them. I might press down gently into the liquid just to, you know, move my brush around and see the progress. Like, as you can see, this one is literally almost done. You can tell by the movement and how soft it is. And I'm gonna check them all the same way. It doesn't take long. Alrighty, they've been in here for about 3-4 minutes. And I believe that they're all done. So I'm just gonna pull them out while I examine them. And I'll start with the NEI. As you can see, soft. So I'm gonna pull it out, tap it, flatten it out, and let it rest on a paper towel. Same thing for this little baby. Nice and soft, no product that I can see. Tap it, let it rest flat on a napkin. Spread these bristles. You know I had that one chunk. It's no longer there. I'm going to tap it out on the side and let it dry flat. Thank you guys for watching.